Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how turning on the debug mode feature will give you extra options in the user settings in terms of access rights. So right now I'm in a tab here. We're going to look at the manage users. We'll go to this Mitchell admin user. And you can see there's a handful of things that you can give access rights to, but it's very limited. If we go back into settings and turn on debug mode, there is a different view when you go back to the user page in terms of access rights. So now, if I go back into the Mitchell admin user, and we scroll down further, there is a series of Boolean checkboxes here that will give this user more flexibility within the system, allow them to do more things that inherently is not already turned on. And oftentimes, these little hidden things will solve a lot of issues. For instance, I had a user that couldn't create exemptions in TaxCloud, and it was just because these extra rights weren't visible to them because they weren't in debug mode, and that specific Boolean wasn't checked off. So if you do find yourself in a situation where you feel like you should have more permissions to do certain things and you're not exactly sure where to find them, simply go into debug mode, then go back into yourself as a user or whatever user you're trying to accomplish this for, and you should find what you're looking for here. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.